Okay, good afternoon. I'm proud to be joined by my dear friend. In his State of the Union address, President Trump talked at length about health care, claiming amazingly at one point he will fight to protect patients with pre-existing conditions. We know the president just lies about protecting health care, and his budget is proof. In the State of the Union, if the State of the Union is what he says, the budget is what he does, and the two are from different planets. I like to say the budget is the truth serum, and now the American people can clearly see that he is a fraud who is not fighting for them.
Cuts to Medicare in the past,
No.
Never done that.
No. On health care, the president said he'd never cut Medicare and Medicaid. He slashes both. $1 trillion in cuts to Medicaid in the Affordable Care Act. Hundreds of billions of cuts in Medicare. And the president even proposes a $35 million cut to CDC's Infectious Disease Rapid Response Reserve Fund. This is the fund currently being used to respond to the coronavirus outbreak.
Framework of the budget agreement.
The non-defense side, not the defense side.
How would you address it?
But in this budget, what could possibly be his motivation to cut all that money from the CDC that you mentioned at the time of the coronavirus and the threat that is, cutting money from CDC, the Center for Disease Control, using the full title, the prevention element of the good health of the American people. What could he be thinking? Maybe I'm using that term loosely.
Bernie Sanders is, of course, running at the top of your field right now. Would both of you be comfortable with the so-called Democratic Socialist, as he calls himself, top of your ticket?
Primaries are primaries, and there are always lots of Sturm and Drang. You will see in a few months, Democrats will be strongly united together, and we will be focused like a laser on beating Donald Trump. The enthusiasm that you last saw in 2008 to elect Barack Obama, you will see among Democrats this summer and fall to get Donald Trump out of office.
And we in the House feel that we set a model for how to win elections by winning in the most gerrymandered, voter-suppressed political arena you could ever put together, net gain of 40 seats. So we think we are an engine that can help us win that election, whoever our nominee is. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.